All right, so today we're just taking a quick look leading into our Chemistry in Me project. At this point, we are you've partnered up, or you're going to be partnering up to research one of your chemical compounds. And one of the big things that we need to do is we need to do some research so that we have an educated viewpoint about our particular compound. So ultimately what we want to do is find some resources that say that the chemical compound that we have that we're going to be researching is really good and maybe we should get more of it in our lives. On the other hand, maybe we're finding some resources that say this chemical compound is really bad and we shouldn't have it. Maybe we should ban it entirely, or we should maybe elect individually to not consume this. In order to make an educated decision, we really want to be looking for some information on both sides of that. And I have some sample videos that I posted that you can view and check out, particularly for fluoride compounds, which would be things like sodium fluoride, stannous fluoride, monofluorophosphate, as some examples of fluoride compounds. And they're both seemingly reliable sources that they're both videos, and your sources don't have to be videos. In fact, most of your sources probably wouldn't be videos. But they're both reliable sources that take completely opposing stances. One says it's good, the other one says, no, this is bad, and you shouldn't consume it. So what you want to do is utilize your resources, and you can try it with the videos, but watch your resources, read your resources, and this graphic organizer helps you to kind of make sense of what is going on. So at the top in here, in this box here, you might write what your focus is or what the resource is saying. So this might be like supports. Oh, sorry about that handwriting. Up for you. But supports or opposes the use of that compound. So in this case, we might say that it supports the use of and whatever it is that you are researching. And then in this next box here, in this area here, you're going to be starting to list some pieces of evidence and or piece of information that you're getting from that resource. And here's the big thing about this is we're looking for facts, not opinion. And these facts you should be able to kind of back up. They should provide some information. They should maybe be data-driven, numerical in value, as opposed to just saying, oh, this is really dangerous, this is really bad. Well, give me some evidence to back that up. If you want to take a minute and kind of pause this, watch the videos that I've posted on fluoride compounds, and then come back, we can kind of talk about some specific things. All right, so I'm hoping that you've seen those videos about the fluoride compounds, one in support of and one in refuting. Like in the supporting video from the slideshow, they say something like, as long as levels are below 1 part per million, that there's really no ill effects of this. And they also say that there was 60% fewer cavities when this fluorine was added to the water in, I think they said it was Grand Rapids, Michigan. So these are just kind of examples of data that is kind of backed up. It's numerical in value. They're citing that there was research that was done to kind of come up with these numbers. It's not just an opinion saying, oh, this is great, but rather they're giving you some information to support that. And really, with your evidence here, you should probably be able to get 3 or maybe 4 pieces of information out of every video or every resource that you use. And then down at the bottom of this is where you're going to put some information that really stood out, something you thought was most important information that was pulled from this video. So this document here that I'm looking at on the screen, I have posted that so you can print that out and access it if you need. It's double-sided, so one side would be where you could include some information for research that you've done that supports the use of your chemical compound. Then the other side you can use for research that opposes use of your chemical compound. If you have any questions about kind of how to move forward with this project, please feel free to see me. All right, thank you.